Hello guys, today I will show you tutorial how to use keyframe zoom in and zoom out to video with CapCut app for Windows and Mac. Step 1. Click in button Create Project. Step 2. Click in button Import. Step 3. Choose your project and click in button Import. Step 4. Click in button Add to Track. Step 5. Click in Add Keyframe. Step 6. Select scale you need zoom in. Click in Add Keyframe. Select scale you need zoom out. Click in Add Keyframe. Select scale you need zoom in. Click in Add Keyframe. Select scale you need zoom out. Now, your keyframe zoom in and zoom out is used successfully to your video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more.